Also, I have a stray hair. It's pink. Everything is pink. It was in my best interest to really resign. I look shit right now. Para ka lang voice in my head. Init, boy. This is the first time I've heard a coffee shop that ran out of coffee. So we're already done with the gym and we're going to buy post-workout snack at Subway.
Isang cheesy beef.
So I got the steak and cheese. This is my usual from Subway steak and cheese with onions, pickles, and lettuce only, and ranch for the sauce. I'm at the gym today. Today is my upper body day and I just changed out of my work clothes. Taste test for the strawberry crunch. It tastes like pink drink but on a creamier side with jelly on the bottom. Then going to test the matcha version. It tastes like matcha and there's no hint of any strawberry. Yeah, tastes like commercialized matcha. Thoughts?
I like this one, but it's too sweet.
Taste the matcha.
I already did. Basically, it just tastes like the pure matcha latte they have. The strawberry is not noticeable.
Actually, oo nga, wala nga yung strawberry. Lasang commercialized matcha. Di ko alam, wala akong nalasang strawberry. Then ito, lasa siyang pink drink na on the creamier side. Na may jelly sa ilalim.
wouldn't say pink. I wouldn't say pink drink. Mas distinct pa rin yung lasa ng pink drink, especially because of the coconut milk.
So, tanga ako.
Basically, lasa siyang yung strawberry frap. But more strawberry yung lasa niya. Nakatulong yung jelly actually. Masarap siya. Although sana binigyan tayo ng mas malaking straw.
Ay, oo nga.
What
Worth
I-
it ba?
What I like about this one is basically kasi yung pure matcha latte masyado siyang hindi ko makuha yung words pero more of parang hindi siya powdery pero malapit siya sa feeling na yun parang ang nainom ng may powder. With this drink parang na-lessen siya yung feeling na yun and basta balance yung tapang ng matcha ng Starbucks. In terms of commercialized matcha mas malala pa rin yung coffee bean.
Dito sa new drink ng Starbucks, actually, I was also planning to get the Sakura donut, but they were all out of it, and I think I would repurchase this one just because it's my first time actually tasting a strawberry latte from them. But I do like it because of the strawberry jelly on the bottom. When it comes to the matcha, not so much. I prefer a much more. I just don't like commercialized matcha at this point. Also, I have a stray hair. I don't know why it keeps standing up like that. It actually won't go down, so I have a anime-ish ahoge, I think. I went to the barangay today to get a barangay clearance and at the police station to get a police clearance. They're part of the required documents that I needed to submit tomorrow for my new job. It's almost been 2 weeks since I started going to the gym and I'm about to be insufferable since I can see little bit of progress on my glutes and my weight is I'm close to getting my target weight. My target weight is 50 kilograms. Today I am at 49 kilograms and so I rewarded myself with sweets from Starbucks, pink drink and the Sakura donut that I've been wanting since they dropped the news that it's back. It's pink. Everything is pink, everything is sugar and I don't have a specific diet to gain weight. I just eat whenever and ever. I eat whatever. And I think that's the fun part for me since I'm not restricting myself to certain food since I'm trying to gain weight. And after eating sweets, I'll be eating leftover lasagna back at home. Just so happy with my progress as of now. 1 kilogram left and I'll be at my healthiest weight. My 30-day notice period is almost done. I only have 2 weeks left with my company. I guess the burnt out that I felt pushed me to resign even though I'm actually okay with my team. I have no problem with the hybrid setup since the office is quite near from where I live. But physically and mentally, I was so drained, and they rewarded me a promotion for that, and I got a increase, not even a 10%. I think that's 15% increase if I do my math correctly. But in the grand scheme of things, it's not really a livable increase. That is barely an increase, especially now that the economy is going to shit. Everything is going to shit. The cost of goods are rising. Fuel is rising as well. So most of my decision is, well, my number one reason for resigning is I was burnt out so much. I'm seeing this new job as a reset, a clean slate, if you will. It was in my best interest to really resign, no matter what. I cannot heal in the same environment that injured me mentally. So I'm really excited with this new work, and I can't wait actually. But I have, I still have 2 weeks left, and um, I have completed my requirements. By the way, I was working on it earlier.
When words fail, you know it's real. Pull yourself together. We have work to do. And by we, I mean you.
I got home late last night. It was around 5 a.m. and I woke up very late today. I wanted to recount what happened yesterday. I was so, I don't know, happy. I was doing the back extension for the first time, and I immediately knew my form was wrong, but I don't know how to do it correctly. A gym girlie corrected my form and even made sure that I was doing right. She was so sweet. I was so thankful because I could finally feel it um in my glutes, and it was my first encounter at the gym like that. It was, my brother did mention that the community is great at the gym, we but a few bad apples isn't avoidable, but they're the minority, and that made me more confident at the gym since there are really people out there that are willing to help you, willing to correct your form, willing to teach you. So right now, today is Saturday, I'm just going to chill, to relax, and I might edit a few videos later. Um, we're also planning to go to festival tomorrow for the Matcha Fest. I think that's what the event is called. I'll try to vlog, but I might use my action camera since my phone will drain the battery so fast when I'm using it to film. But I'm actually excited to attend a matcha event with my fiance tomorrow. We're not really planning to try every matcha drink out there. We're just going to buy one drink at a vendor that got our attention or pick our interest. As much as possible, I do want to try a lot of matcha versions, if that what you call it. Um, I look I look shit right now because I think I need more sleep, but I feel like I got enough sleep. I got 7 hours of sleep, so I think that's okay. But I don't know, my body still wants to sleep, so I might take a nap later on because the weather feels so nice. It's cold actually. The wind is cold. It's such a nice day to go out, to go on a ride, but my laziness overpowers everything. And I hope this kind of weather is still the same for tomorrow. Even though it's sunny, it's very windy today, but the wind is very cold. So that really feels nice, but it's like an omen for the April, I mean, for the start of the hot month. So that it's kind of scary of how cold it is right now, but I think this summer is going to be as brutal. I'm not really excited about that since I hate the summer months. I hate it so much. Um, you could imagine how hot it is in the Philippines since it's humid, then the sun is glaring. I couldn't ride my bike to work or to anywhere when it's in the afternoon. I feel like I'm being cooked. Being roasted just by being outside for even 30 seconds. That's how bad it is. I'll catch up with the uh, vlogs that I usually watch. And then I'll actually edit this vlog just so I wouldn't cram before my target posting date. So yeah, just a chill, relaxing Saturday for me. I decided not to take a nap since I wanted to get a head start on my editing since this is a lot of clips to work on. And girl, this weather is really making me sleepy. I might sleep way earlier than usual just because we do have plans for tomorrow. But the weather is really giving cozy.
Surprise, manggog ka?
Okay, so this kind of sticky tab didn't work. It's not it's not reliable. So I'm going to try sticking the magnetic side using this nail sticker. Is that what it's called? Nail stickers. Hopefully it does give a much more security. Just going to check for the size. And just to be sure, I'll be securing it with tape. It kind of looks shit, but I have made sure this is very secured. I am planning to have the mic placed like this, so the mic itself is not directly under or in the direction of my breathing, and I think it's secure enough. Yeah, it's not moving when this magnet is pretty strong, so I'm good with this. So this is the my other DJI mic mini that is Bluetooth connected to my phone, and right now I'm speaking without the muffler, so I'll try it in a second. So this is the mic mini with the muffler, and I hope it doesn't catch much of my breathing, but I think this is secure enough since I think the chin pad thingy could catch this if ever this if it starts slipping at this, it could catch it, and it could give me um minutes or seconds to get it and put it in my pocket.
Places to go, the best places to go, and I even got so overwhelmed that I just ended up looking for tours in Japan because I had no idea.
Oo, lakas ng hangin. Mabigat naman yung motor ko, like decently mabigat. Pero syempre kung ganun kalakas yung hangin, I doubt hindi ka tatangayin. Mabilis uminit yung motor pag gantong tanghali. Nasa 104 degrees na currently yung temp. Normal na yun? 110. So hindi normal is 110, and nasa 105 na yung akin. Kaka 105. Okay, wait. Bumaba siya ng 104. Guys, kung may betlog ako, pumutok na yung kanina pa. Hindi ako yung liwanag. Nakakatawa siguro pag naririnig ka rin, no? Para ka lang voice in my head. Yun ako. Kaya sabihin ko na lang, i-repeat ko na lang sa camera kasi possibly hindi naririnig yung speaker. Pero essentially, sinabihan ako ng fiancé ko pukumanan. Ang tanong ko, saan? Singit na ba tayo? Kaya ko. Tatama ba yung side mirror ko? Doing kamote things in broad daylight. Ang ina, tuwan-tuwa. Ay, gago. Hindi. Ano yun? What the fuck is... Ano nangyari ni ko, gets? Ah. Oh my god, finally. Hindi na mainit. Napapaso na yung shin. Ay, yung calves ko kanina pa napapasok. Kanina pa ako naluluto kahit mahangin. Alam, ang sarap ng hangin. Pag nasa ilalim ka ng puno. Nakaka-enjoy yung hangin kapag may lilim ng puno. Shit. Ang lamig, be. Para ako naka-aircon. Thankful dahil yung motor namin is pwedeng i-park sa car slot or motorcycle slot. Hindi ba masyado malapit dito? Pwesto ko na dito, then a-adjust ko to onte para hindi tumama. Dahil wala akong tiwala sa ibang tao, okay? Gitna ba? Parang masyado tayong mahaba kung magkaganon. Tama lang. Fuck, nagtubara yung motor ko. Nginit, boy. Outfit check bilang isang short biker. My assumption was it was a matcha event, but it was not. It was a South trading event, and we only got one. We only bought from one shop. So it's the Block 6. The staff suggested the toasted matcha if you wanted a sweet matcha, and my fiance tried the London Fog matcha, which has a very strong Earl Grey note. I'm actually obsessed with this, and I'm almost done with the drink. They're located at Laguna. So I thought they were from Makati, but my fiance said they were from Laguna. I would rate this 10 being the highest. I would rate it 9 out of 9. And price wise, I'm good. This is around 230. This is around 290. A bit steep of a price, but I am obsessed with how sweet this is. And I'm going to ask my fiance to rate his London Fog.
Very good. I can taste the Earl Grey. Not too sweet. The matcha is not too strong. The Earl Grey is very noticeable at the end. It's the aftertaste.
Highest rating, 10 out of 10. We're here at Zeus, and my fiance and I got both refresher drinks since they were out of coffee and milk tea. I was planning to get the peach milk tea, and this is the first time I've heard a coffee shop that ran out of coffee and milk tea. I guess they're basically sold out. And I also got a spinach croissant swirl. I always get a spinach croissant here in Zeus. And we also got a s'mores cookie. We're just here to spend time. We're actually going to meet up with my brother at McDonald's later, which is quite late, around between 9 to 10 p.m. So we're going to have a very late dinner. McDo na kami. Woo! Dinner time!